Hey guys, what's up? I'm back in another video, and today we are playing Dude Theft Wars. And in this game, in this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find a lot of money. So, oops, just open the map and find for the mountains. Oh, there they are. Now follow the arrow on the top and oops. Yeah, so you can see the mountains right over there. And you just have to simply climb the mountain. I'm stopping my car right over here. You activate this shit and you are ready to go. Climb the whole mountain, and on top of it just keep climbing. And there you are. You can see bundles of cash. Yeah. Okay. And I don't know where I parked my car. But who's that? That was really scary. So guys, right now I've just figured out something, and I think that you might find money right here too. Because you see, it's following inside. I don't think there is any way we can go in. So for the time being, just collect this money. So guys, we are back right here, and I just discovered that there's also a secret car over here, which you do not get to see throughout the game anywhere, but it's just here. It's like a dragster like vehicle. So let's just go back to our own car. So this is a bar right over here. You get this small car, so just enter this and you have to keep going where we saw that big board saying the way, so that you can get some money over there. Right over here. So you can see how much of money is over here. So I'll just take that. So much money today, huh? So let's go back to where we came from. Actually, no, those are the only places I know right now where you can find this much money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button. Also like this video, and I'll see you guys again in the next video.